This is Stephen, and we're dealing with the word depict, which means to show or represent by a drawing, painting, or other art form. The answer to this question is A, describe, which means to give an account in words of something. So this is not an equivalent translation or definition of depict, since depict is about drawing or painting and describing is more about words. But it's the closest thing to depict as far as answer choices go. So let's look at our other options. So we have B, discard, which means to get rid of something as no longer useful or wanted. So instead of trying to depict something in a painting like the culture of the Renaissance, you would just discard it and like, no, I'm not going to bother. So that doesn't really work with it since you're trying to talk about something or show something. Then C, include, which means to make part of a whole or set. So you might include something in a depiction, but it's not the depiction or to depict something in itself. So that doesn't really work. And then D, reverse, which means to move backward or make opposite of what is. So you wouldn't be depicting the culture of the Renaissance if you instead did a painting of modern America. That doesn't really work. So reverse is kind of like the opposite of depict. So if you break down the word, D as a prefix means to, or means down, and then picked means to paint. So to paint down, so put something down in a painting. So the best answer for depict is A, describe.